Do you want to make amazing Instagram video stories? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create this exact video story for Instagram in Canva. Hi, my name is Mohit from Tenika Creations. If you like content like this, press the like button, leave your thoughts in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon for the notifications. Let's get inside Canva, click on Create a Design, Custom Size, 1080 width, and height will be 1920 because we need a vertical video. Create a new design. We're inside Canva editor now. I'll click on the canvas here and then go to the color here and let me select this color. Yeah, select that color. Okay. Click there. Now let's go to elements. Under elements, select the square. Bring that down here. Change this color to something more exciting in the same color range. Click on purple here. Let's go to new color here just to make it more dark and more prominent. Yes, that would be good. Let's keep it that way. Then let's go back to elements here. This time go to frames, click on see all. Go down and select this one. Scale this one up and let's place it over here. Something like that. Let's go here. That should be good. Now let's bring our logo. Go to uploads. Let's click on the logo. Bring our logo and just place it over there. That should be good. Next, we will go back to elements. Once again, let's close frames. Go to shapes, see all. Scroll down. Let's select this one and change the color of that to white and then bring it down here. Maybe scale it a little bit up like that. Okay, so let's add some text. This video will be about cotton candy. So we have few questions and the answer for that. This is one good way of sharing posts and getting engagement for Instagram stories. So I have some text over here. So I will just copy that from the notepad that I have written it down. So first let's click on text, add a headline and copy this line from here. Ctrl C to copy from there, from the notepad, and Ctrl V to paste that. I'm going to change the color of the text to the purple that we selected. Let's change this to Monster Art and let's go for a size like 20. That's way too small. Let's make it 30 or even 40. Let's have a look. I think, yeah, that should be good. And then I will click on this alignment, make sure that it is left aligned. And then I will just click on bold and then select this and bring it over there. Maybe let's just see. Okay, that should be good. Let's place it here. Then below this, because this is a question and we are following question and answer method here. So this is the question. To separate the answer and the question, we'll add a line. So let's go to elements and close this. And we'll select this line from here, under lines, click on that. And then let's just drag it here and like that. That should be good. Maybe move it slightly down. Okay, and then we will click on this one, Ctrl D to duplicate the text, and we'll bring that down. We'll go to the notepad and copy the answer for it. we'll go into Canva and double click here and Control V to paste. Select this text and change the font to Playfair Display, and then I will set the text size to 60 and click on bold. Let's adjust this like so. I think we'll bring this further down like that. This, let's bring that down as well. And the text, let's look at it. Yeah, that looks good. So now let's bring the video for this one. Go to upload, because I have already uploaded some of the videos that is suitable for this text. Click on this to bring it into our composition. Click and drag into the frame. So it's already in there, but we need to reposition it because that doesn't look good. So let's double click and then move it to the left. I think that's a good position. Also, we'll select this and click on this button here and reduce the length to 5 seconds or 4.9 because we need the story to be 15 seconds. Let's keep it to 4.9 and done. So that's how that looks. Now we'll click and drag this entire frame, copy that and Control C to copy, click on add page and click here and Control V to paste. What we're going to do now is select this and I will move it to the other side. I think that looks good. And let's also move this one to the other side. I'm just using the arrow key to move it. That should be good. And let's have the new text for this slide. Go in there. Is cotton candy pure sugar? Copy that. Bring it here and paste it. Control V to paste. Make sure that it is bold. And let's get the answer for that question. This is the answer. It's a bit long. So let's see if it will fit in there. Control V to paste and double click and make it bold. Right. One more thing that we want to do is make sure that this is right aligned. So we'll click on this twice to bring it there. Let's try and make it 2 lines. Yes, that should be good. And maybe move it a little this side. Yes, that looks good now. So let's go to the first slide. Control C to copy. Go down, click on add page. Here, click inside the canvas. Control V to paste. Once again, okay, we did not change the video here, so let's click here and delete that video. And for that, let's bring in another video. I think we'll go with this one. Click and drag it into the frame. This is good position, so click on that. Change the length to 5 seconds or 4.9, that would be good. Click on done. Come down and here let's go to the text. Copy the text. Is it okay to eat candy in the morning? Go to Canva. Let's paste the question. Select it. Make it bold. Let's get the answer. Control C. Go to the Canva and Control V to paste it. Select it. Make it bold. Now let's change this video. Click on that. Delete. And then bring this video in. Click and drag it into the frame. I think that's also good position. So we have a 15-second video now. Let's see if we have to adjust the length of this. Click on this, make it 5 seconds long. Yep, done. That's good. Now we have done all the composition and design aspect of it. What we need to do now is give some animation for this. So let's click here, click on animate, go for pan, I'll click here, go to Rise. This one I'll use Pan again. So if we play, you can see that the video looks really good. It looks very professional. And yeah, that's how you do a video Instagram story inside Canva. So to download this video, all you have to do is click on download button here. We should go with MP4 video and then click download. That's it. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you guys make a lot of Instagram stories, because stories bring a lot of engagement. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon for the notifications, leave a like. If you have any thoughts, leave it in the comments. I'll get back to you, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.